All Computer Science Essentials units share the same scaffolded lesson structure. As you learned in the previous cycle, the prep lesson sets the stage and builds the foundation for learners. Lesson 1 sets context for the unit through the epilogue. The lesson helps learners build understanding of basic concepts through unplugged activities. These activities help reduce learners' cognitive loads. Engineering and computer science ultimately focus on creating specific, context-dependent solutions. For example, a bridge over a particular river, or a program for a particular robot. Children need context to be able to recognize what the problem is, why it is important, how it applies to their lives, and how they can apply their knowledge to solve the problem. Creating context for problem solving provides another entry point for learners and allows them to see themselves reflected in the problem. In EIE classrooms, it's common to hear a child exclaim, "That storybook character looks like me," or a certain protagonist is his or her favorite. Each Computer Science Essentials unit begins with an engineering storybook and a computer science epilogue for that story. In Lesson 1 of each Computer Science Essentials unit, if students have already completed the engineering unit, they will review the engineering storybook, or they'll discover the story for the first time. In the Computer Science Storybook Epilogue, students see the same characters in a situation that motivates them to use computers to imagine a solution. These stories set a real-world context for learning, where students can identify with the storybook character and the challenges they face.